Alright, here's how we end up getting the SomeGuy launcher and installing it on your computer. Basically, you'll be at this website here. You have two choices. You can download SomeGuy launcher in full screen mode or in windowed screen mode. The difference is on windowed screen mode you will have the X and minimize and basically drop down to the toolbar option when you're playing the game. A lot of people like to use it to basically combat log. Some people do use it, so I'm going to give you an option to download launchers that way as well, plus in full screen mode. For the standard user, in case you're not sure what to do here, is basically this one right here. So we're going to go ahead and download that. Click on the download button. There's the file, and if you look right there, SomeGuy launcher full.exe. That is the file. I'm going to go ahead and save it. You can choose to run it if you'd like. So I am now saving the file once again. That's the file name. Saving it. Alright, when I downloaded it from this website, I got this file right here. So when I click here, I get this. This is what I downloaded to the desktop. Not everybody's download location is going to be the same. The standard place is in the downloads folder. So you most likely will not see it on your desktop. You will have to go down to the start menu here. And in here, if you type D, it will bring up a folder called, well, let's do DOW for download. And there you go right there. That is the folder right there. Click on that folder and you will see this, most likely, in there, unless you're an advanced user. So now, once I download it from the website, I have to find the file, which will be in the downloads folder. All you have to do now is run that file. I don't know why I have to tell anybody this, but apparently I do. All you have to do is double left mouse click that file, and it will run. It's that simple. I've had to tell so many people that, and I don't understand. And they're on Windows. But here we go. You double click it. Run it. What this file in effect does is it basically, well, wants to know if you installed your Steam on the regular C drive or on an external drive. Nowadays, games are getting so big that people are having to literally get an external hard drive, put it in their computer, and put all their Steam stuff onto that drive. So, for instance, if you install Steam on G drive instead of C drive, which is the default, then you would have to type in here G and enter. But most standard users, it's already installed on C drive. So basically, local disk C, program files, or program files x86, depending on your operating system, 64-bit or 32-bit. So basically, mine is in here since I am 64-bit, and I will look for Steam. There's a Steam folder. Now I will go down, Steam Apps, Common, and there we go, Arma 2, Operation Arrowhead, both of them right there. So mine's already there. I'm going to just go ahead and hit enter because I'm default setting. So enter. Alright, now as you see here, it has created 3 icons on your desktop. If it has not created 3 icons, or your download bar is not moving, you're going to need to disable your antivirus. I do not want to spend $300 to have this exe digitally signed by Microsoft so an antivirus will allow it to run when I may not even use it for 3 years, or even a year at that. Not going to do it. Ain't happening. It's not a virus, I can tell you that right now. All this does is creates these 3 icons on your desktop. If you go into Arma 2, there is an add-ons folder that usually resides in here. Basically what it did was copy that into here. So now it is in Arma 2. You need that to run specific dayz files. Right now as we speak, the download here is downloading Namalsk. You have to allow that to go all the way to 100% in order to join the Namalsk server. Okay, and it is downloading it from my server. I have actually taken the files, put them in my server so people can download them faster because dayz Commander likes to time out when you are downloading the files. So there it is. It's a faster server and it doesn't time out. It also creates these 3 EXEs in your Arma 2 OA. These EXEs are basically these right here with shortcuts of these EXEs to your desktop. So this is what you launch to load the game. Now, I don't know why I have to tell this to anybody. If you don't want to run it, I don't care. It's entirely up to you. It is not a virus. Here is the source code for this exe right here. Let's see. Launcher. Okay. This is the actual source code for the launcher. If you look in here, This is the creating of the shortcuts for a 32-bit operating system. I will produce these files at any time to anybody who wants them at any given time. Just get a hold of me in the TeamSpeak and I will give them to you, and you can look through them to your heart's content. But this is basically all it does. If you look right there, that is the check for the C drives and all the other drives, and it will load a bat file to install the files in whatever directory you choose. Then of course down here it connects to my download servers, moves the files around, creates a bunch of files, and so forth and so forth. This is the source code. So there it is. I'm not going to pay $300, have it digitally signed. If you don't want to run it, I don't care. This is the fastest way, and this thing right here does all the work for you. And I have done all the work for you to make it as easy as 2 mouse left clicks. So there it is. If that's too hard, I don't know what to tell you, man. So here we go. Alright, that's pretty much all I can think of to tell you guys. Y'all have fun on the servers, but that's how you use that file. You have to wait for this to get to 100% as well to play Namalsk. All you have to do now, double left mouse click on any one of these files and you will join that map. Chernarus is a map. Naft is a map. Namalsk is a map. These 3 maps are running on my server, which is here. As you can see, 1, 2, 3 servers running. This is the usage of all 3 servers. This is the Minecraft server. And that is the restart timer. So if you want to join any one of those servers and you don't know what you're doing, I've made it real simple. You guys have fun. Enjoy playing. Alright, bye.